Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Blackout here. So recently, Flexispot reached out to me to try their E6 Max sit-stand desk and asked me to share my opinion with you all about it. They sent over a list of options ranging from a 48-inch wide to a 63-inch wide tabletop, and I decided to choose the 63-inch wide option. Now, as a former big tech employee and now YouTuber, I've been using StandingDesk at home and in the office for about 10 years now. I currently own a couple sit-stand desks from companies like Apex Desk and Vivo, and I must say, Flexispot desks are great quality at the price points that don't break the bank account. The desk I have here retails at around $499 USD, but right now you can purchase it on Amazon during Prime Day for just about $329. I'll leave a link down in the description which will have a 10% discount code as well. Now, some of the features I enjoy about this desk is how sturdy it is at full height and how much weight it can support. The desk supports up to 150 kilos of weight and comes with accessories such as casters for easy mobility and Velcro straps and ties for easy cable management. When the desk is at full height, it has little to no wobble, ensuring that your valuable items will be safe on top of the desk. Speaking of height, the desk can go as low as 24.4 inches low and as tall as 50 inches and has a programmable remote so you can easily save your preferred height adjustments. I'm roughly 6'2", or about 189 centimeters tall, so this is a perfect height for me when I stand, keeping my arms at a right angle, which helps me prevent carpal injuries. Now, if you're like me and you work long hours at a desk, it could be beneficial to your long-term health to invest into a good standing desk, as sitting all day can lead to lower back pain and stiff hips, which eventually can cause knee pains. The desk came in two separate boxes, one box for the desktop and the other box for the legs. I did have to use a hand truck to bring the desk into my apartment, so if you don't have a dolly or a hand truck handy, I strongly advise you to have someone help you with moving it. Assembly was a breeze. The directions were clear, and it came with most of the tools you need, with the exceptions of a drill. I personally plan to use this desk as an unboxing and music production desk, and I think this desk is perfect for my use case. Well, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and use the link down below to purchase the Flexispot E6 desk, as it will greatly help my channel so I can produce more quality content for you all. Thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.